Hi friends, welcome to Arnav. Today is the 21st episode in the geography series. So today we are again going to discuss about India. So in the last episode of the geography series, or the 20th episode of the geography series, we discussed about India part 1 to be specific. So now it is India part 2. So in this part we are mainly going to discuss about India's geography. Yes, so now let's start. So first, the location of India. So in the last episode we mainly discussed the location about what countries or what oceans bordered it. But now we are going to say that and translate it into latitudes and longitudes. Translate. Yes. So the Indian mainland extends between 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north also. So latitudes, and 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east latitudes. Longitudes. Yes. So yeah. And also India is in the northeastern hemisphere. Yes, so this is the southern part. So Sri Lanka is not a part of India. It is just there to show Sri Lanka is there. Yes, so this is the southern tip, or guess it. So it is the 8 degrees 4 minutes north one. So just write 8 degrees. Simplified, but here on the north there would be the 37 degrees north. So 37, why you write 3 like that? So 37 degrees north, and also let's write N so we don't get confused if it is south or north. So because India is only in the northeastern hemisphere. Yes, so now here this point is, so let's write it here. So this point is the 68 degrees east latitude. Yes, so 68 longitude, sorry. So now here is the, guess it, don't see. So it is 97 degrees longitudes. Yes, 97 degrees east longitudes. Yes, so and also let's write E for both of these. Yes, so now, so the north to south extent is 3,214 kilometers. Yes, so the north to south. So this is 3,214 kilometers, km. Yes, so that is very long, very long, but we are only including the mainland, not the other islands like these islands, which we'll discuss later in the video. Yes, so now the westernmost point to the easternmost point extent is 2,933 kilometers. So now go. So this is 2933 km. Yes, so 2,933 kilometers. Yes, so so India accounts 2.42% of the total world land area. Yes, 2.42, a small number. Yes, so now the physiographic divisions of India. Yes, there are many divisions like mountains on the north, plains, and those things are there in India. So the land of India is characterized by the great diversity in its physical features. And also India is one of the 17 mega diverse countries in the world. Yes, it is a mega diverse country too. So India can be divided into the following physiographic divisions. So there are 6 here. So the first one is the northern and northeastern mountains. So let's draw them in a different color to show which one is what. Yes, so now let's draw them in blue. Yes, so the northern and northeastern mountains. So these mountains are known as the Himalayan mountains. Yes, so these are the Himalayas. They are very long. So again, in these Himalayan mountains, there are again three types: the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and Shivaliks. Yes, so these are the foothills, the Shivaliks. So here would be the Greater Himalayas. Yes, so in a parallel, I mean in a straight line, and it also goes through Nepal. Next, the Lesser Himalayas. They are all parallel. Yes, and also the Himalayas also go up to this point and also curve. So they go like this. They curve for some reason. Yes. So and finally the Shivaliks, which are the foothills of the, guess it, the Himalayas. Yes. So now,
how they are formed?
And also I'll say how these Himalayas are formed. Yes. So these Himalayas are a type of mountain called fold mountains. Yes. So fold mountains means that the two continental plates hit each other. So I'll show a diagram. So for example, many years ago, there was the Eurasian plate like normal, but without India. So the Indian plate collided with it suddenly. Yes, many years ago, many millions of years ago, not just now. So because of that collision and its force, even if it was going 2 centimeters per year, it made the Himalayas. Yes, so the Himalayas go through here because of that collision many millions of years ago. Yes, more than 100 years ago. Yeah. Okay, so next, the northern plains. Yes, so these northern plains is very important for North India. Yes, so these northern plains are just south of these Shivaliks, and also not just this big but very big. So they go to this side also, and also this part to the edge. Yes, so now let's discuss about these northern plains. Yes, so the northern plains, so these are very big plains. So now these form because there are rivers in this Himalayas. These include the Ganges river and Yamuna river and those. So these rivers brought good fertile soil, very fertile soil. Yes, so he brought that soil down here.
What is it called?
So that soil is called like alluvial soil. Yes, so this soil made this area plain and also very fertile for farmers and farming and those things similar related to that. So here some states like Punjab, here Uttar Pradesh make a good profit from these plains only. And also in ancient times many kingdoms were here because, can you guess the reason? The food. Yes, it was a very fertile land. So the Himalayas were not that fertile, but these great plains, I mean the northern plains just south of it, are very fertile. Yes, so many plants are grown here. Yeah. So next, the peninsular plateau. So now let's discuss about the plateaus of India. So the main part here is the peninsular region of this plateau. So like this.
Like triangle.
Like a triangle because it's a peninsula. Yes, so there are again many plateaus in this peninsular plateau. So the biggest one here is the Deccan Plateau. Yes, so again there are many plateaus here, and even over here. Yes, they even go to here. They just lead through this area in Bangladesh and just, wow, they finally made it to this part of India. Yes, so and in this peninsular plateau there are a lot of minerals excluding gold. Yes, so there is iron, coal and those things. Yes, so yeah. Okay, so next, and also here there are two main mountain ranges on the the Deccan Plateau. So they are the Eastern Ghats in this place because they are in the east, and the Western Ghats in this part. So they both meet in this part called the Nilgiri Hills, and also the Eastern Ghats has small holes in it. So it is not a continuous mountain range, it has small holes, and also the Western Ghats go up to here. Yes, very long. Yeah. Okay, so that is these peninsular plateaus. So next, the Indian desert. This desert is known as the Thar desert. It is in this part of India. So this is the Thar desert. So it is in the biggest state of India, which is known as Rajasthan. Yes. So the Thar is a very big desert inside of India, and also it also goes into part of Pakistan too. Yes. So the Thar desert is also very hot. Yeah, like every desert is except Antarctica. Yes. And also one fun fact, Antarctica is a desert, a type of desert called snow desert. It's a desert which the only difference is instead of sand and heat, there would be snow or ice and coldness. And also instead of camels, there would be penguins just swimming around everywhere. Yes. So next, after the Indian desert, the Thar desert is the coastal plains. So there are many coastal plains. So the first, there are two main ones. So they are the eastern coast plains and the western coast plains. So the eastern ones are, of course, east of the Eastern Ghats. Yes, so they are here. They are wider than the western coast plains. So here are the western coast plains. So they are thinner than the eastern plains. Yes. So, and also many rivers come into the eastern plains. Eastern coastal plains. I'll just call them eastern coast, something like that. So these rivers include the not the Ganga. Why did I say Ganga?
Godavari.
So these include the Godavari, the Krishna river, and Kaveri river. Many rivers are here. And also one thing, these rivers all originate from the Western Ghats. But for some reason they won't flow into the western coast. That is the reason. The big reason is because the Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. So it is in a slope like this. So the rivers will flow here instead of just defying gravity and going upwards. Yes. So yeah, these are the coastal plains of India. So finally are the islands of India. Yes, so these islands include, so there are two main islands in India. They are the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands and the Lakshadweep group of islands. So the Andaman and Nicobar ones have 572 islands. So these islands are here. So yeah, they are in the Bay of Bengal. Yes, B. Yes, the Bay of Bengal. So this is Andaman and Nicobar. So Andaman is in the north while Nicobar is in the south. So again there's a division between these. This division is known as the 10 degrees channel. So just write 10 with a degree sign. Yes. So yeah. So this is about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and also one fun fact. So Bairn Island, which is the only active volcano on India, is in the Nicobar part of Andaman and Nicobar in the south. Yes. So that is good. Yeah. But there's only one active volcano in India, that is this Bairn Island only. Yes. So next, finally, is the Lakshadweep Islands. There are just 36 islands. 36, very low. So these are in the Arabian Sea. So AS. Yes. So they are 36, a very small number than compared to other island groups. or archipelagos. Something, they call them something. Yes. So these Lakshadweep islands, even if they are 36 in number, they are all made up of coral reefs. Yes. So coral islands. So, and also Lakshadweep means place of 1,000 islands or something similar to that. I mean, not 1,000, a lakh of islands. Yes, but it is, the number of islands is not even close to a lakh. Is 36 close to a lakh? I think the numeral system changed in the years. I don't know. Yes. So yeah, this is for today about the Indian geography or India part 2. Bye.